Welcome to another video, guys. So in Blackley at the moment, about to try somewhere called Fresh Fuel Bar. I'm looking over here because it's just on a corner. I'm not sure I'll be able to do any filming directly outside because it's on a main road on Rochdale Road here, so I can't do what I can do. I don't know if this space is on the inside to sit down and eat, but we'll check it out. I'll see you in there.
And then this is your platter. Do you want me to do your hot and sauce?
Okay, so here we are, guys. I've had to park a few streets away because it's just far too noisy. I'm trying to film anywhere near Fresh Fuel Bar itself. So what I'm going to do is just bring this up to the camera and you can see essentially what I'm dealing with here. So it's a steak wrap with loaded fries that they've put salt, pepper seasoning on with some of their sauces, as well as some king prawns. It looks and smells amazing, to be fair. Let's get stuck in with this steak first of all. Bring this up to the camera. You can see exactly what we're dealing with here. Oh yeah, that's nice. The steak's kind of cooked in its own juices. It's got a bit of a peppery flavour to it, but I really like that. It's cooked really well. Even look at the size of the prawns. Excuse me. The prawns are really big. This one looks like it's got a bit of salt and pepper seasoning on it. It's got a really nice bite to that. I also went for their burger. I'll try the fries in a second, by the way. I just need to go back in the car and get the fork. Here's their burger. I'll admit, doesn't look like too much, but give it a shot. Need to test it again for poison. Alright, I'll break this down. Let me sort this out first. So, it's a good quality burger. You can taste its quality meat. It's got a nice bit of cheese on there. Their sort of spin on like I would say it's almost like a Big Mac sauce, but it's not quite as sweet. It's a good quality steamed ham. The only problem is it's very basic. It's nice. If you like a nice simple burger, this will be right up your street. Nothing wrong with it. It's just, is the price right? I'll have to double check and I'll put it on screen. But I think this was like £6. Would I pay £6 for this? I mean, it's a double patty. It's 2023. Prices are insane at a lot of places at the minute. So yeah, it's on. How can I say this? It's at the very tip of the reasonable scale of what I would pay for it. But It is a little bit basic. There's not much of the sauce flavour coming through at all. It's literally just meat flavours, which I actually don't mind. It's just, is it worth that price? I'm going to cut the video here. I'm just going to get a fork. And voila! Through the magic of editing, it's like I was never gone. So yeah, I'll try and show you another example of what we're dealing with inside here. These are the fries and the shrimp. They asked what sauce I want on there. I asked for peri peri and some of the spicy mayo. They also put some of their coleslaw on there. I actually love coleslaw, it's vastly underestimated. You add coleslaw to anything, it pretty much elevates it. So look at the prawn. Flavour wise, there's an awful lot going on here. I think a lot of it's from the beetroot that's included, or the cabbage that's included in the coleslaw. I think the sweetness from that is complementing the peri peri sauce quite well. Trying to count how many prawns I've got. I think there's 4 in total. All decent size, all really juicy. Not much to show you here. Fries are fries. These are just loaded with coleslaw and sauce. Big fan of flavours coming out here. So again, the prices fluctuated. Apparently their menu is all on Instagram. When I looked at Instagram, the lady that worked in there said prices have gone up since there. They're slightly out of date, so I have to check how much I paid. There's some nice fries, but biased a little bit because I love coleslaw. And finally, let's go for this second half of steak wrap. This is so good. Highly recommend this. So it's got the steak flavours, as I said earlier on. Almost like a slight pepperiness to it, like it's seasoned well before they cook it. You've got cheese on there, a little bit of lettuce. Not too interesting. But it's absorbed some of the flavours now from the coleslaw, which is just added to it. It's so tasty. For the record, I'm chewing because I take big mouthfuls. I'm on a pig. It's not because it's overly chewy or anything. So, that was tasty. Let's give it all a rating. The burger, nothing too spectacular if I'm honest. I'm going to give that a 6.5. It's just when there's so many other burger places around here, it doesn't offer too much that stands out. It's not special enough. It does the basics right, but it only does the basics. This mixed box steak wrap platter, that was really, really good. I'm going to give that an 8.5. I can't fault that at all. Again, I'll double check on the pricing, but even if that's on the expensive side, you can taste from the amount of steak that you've got in there that the prawns are really decent and high quality, really, really tasty and juicy. I'm comfortable giving that an 8.5 all day long. So that being said, I've got a few more places to visit today, so I'll see you in the next video.